Yo, it's Dr. James Utley. I'm your resident codebreaker data scraper, and I'm here to show you how I look at proteins in Nucleo. So let's get it. All right, first off, welcome to Nucleo. Orient you. Here's a sidebar. All right, let's go. And we're going to say, all right, can you give me a detailed overview of CD? Oh, but before we do that, let's go ahead and throw /web so it searches the web and we'll send it out. Okay. Then wait for this thing to cook. It's cooking. All right, cool. Gives us some good info. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Word. Oh yeah, that's a cool little protein. All right. Anyways. All right. So we're gonna throw that, but we're gonna update. We're gonna give it a little more context and be like, can you provide more detail into the structure of CD63? All right, word. So it's a good protein. So what we're doing is we're throwing the context we had before, and then we're throwing it to the deep reasoning agent, which is powered by Google Gemini 3. And we will let it do its thing right quick. If you remember, we can look at these other references. Oh yeah, they got the gene card here. Let's check out this guy while it's cooking. All right. And then you can look at this. All your normal spots, gene card, protein database. All right. So now we it has output the kind of the structure, more in the structurally visual or more outlining of the structure. So we're checking it all out here. And now you can either read through this or you can be lazy like me. I like to see the old visual. So let's go ahead and fire up the visual in Nucleo. Let's see what they give you. Let's see what the good old Nucleo gives us for an output. So we'll check this out. Kind of waiting, and we will see what goes down right now. So Nucleo has really two main capabilities for the default, and that is infographic, scientific infographic, which is here. It's wonderful. Boy, that looks amazing. And so we can kind of look about the topology, the shape, post-translational modifications, and read this. Wow, this has just really turned out amazing. All right. Well, that about does it. So we're going to download that image for later. But that about does it for here. I just want to show you how I look at proteins, learn about proteins. It's a little bit it's a little bit different than what's happening here. Although this is very valuable, but we if we are looking at this and we want to learn, then that's the way to go. All right, peace. Dr. James Utley, your codebreaker data scraper. Peace.